Before we get started, I want to be clear. Everything on this channel is for educational and personal growth purposes only. Nothing here should be considered financial advice.
QQQ, SPY, and the S&P 500 have all hit all-time highs, despite the fact the conflict in Iran still isn't fully resolved. If you are investing in growth stocks right now, you need to be paying attention because moments like these can either be the start of something bigger or the beginning of the next pullback. My name is Garrett. I'm a finance major at WSU and an active stock and ETF trader. I started my first portfolio about a year ago and made it my goal to grow that portfolio to 7 figures. If you do want to follow me on my 7 figure journey, the wins, losses, and decisions, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I also post short form content on my Instagram channel, which will be on the screen now. If you want to show additional support, please go drop a follow. In today's video, we are going to be going over my weekly portfolio analysis, the VIX, and the QQQ. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about performance. Now, I like to do this for transparency purposes, but if you look at my realized gain loss for the month of April, we are currently at a realized gain of $517 and a realized loss of $0. This week specifically, I closed out some shares of Celestica at a nice profit, being around $140, which ended up being about a 24% ROI. I also just added a new stock to the portfolio, Alcoa, ticker AA. Alcoa is an aluminum company, and with continuous AI growth, aluminum is going to have a huge desire in the market. I kept this position small, around 2% of my portfolio, because the main purpose of me investing in this stock is for diversification. I used to pretty much strictly trade AI stocks, but as of recently, I've been committed to diversifying my portfolio and investing in some more niche stocks. Second, let's talk about the VIX. Right now, the VIX is currently priced at $17.47, meaning there still is slight fear in the market. Per my VIX allocations, anywhere between 20 and 25% of my portfolio should be in cash on the sidelines, waiting to take advantage of any opportunities that present themselves, and 75 to 80% of my portfolio should be invested. Right now, I am sitting lighter than that, around 13% in cash and 87% invested. The reason for this is I am very bullish short term. We've been seeing a lot of upside growth, and the Iran war is still technically not over. Now, we have been getting a lot of very positive, bullish geopolitical news, but I believe when the final ticker comes in and the Iran war is finally over, it's going to boost the stock market even more than it's boosted right now. Now, ideally, I do want to sell some of my positions that are at a profit early next week because I do like staying pretty close to my VIX allocations. I am too shy right now. Staying really close to the VIX allocations keeps me safe and keeps me less prone to lose a significant amount of money. Say, Iran bombs America, and we're right back to square one. Third, let's take a look at QQQ. QQQ just hit all-time highs, and when you take a look at the 5-day chart, we are up about 7% last week, which is significant. Now, for a growth stock, 7% in a week or even a day is much more plausible. But for an ETF like QQQ, going up 7% in 1 week is significant. This kind of momentum shows strong buying pressure, especially in the tech space. Big moves like this typically don't happen without some sort of pullback or consolidation, but this leaves me very interested to see what QQQ does, not just on the opening Monday, but throughout all next week. In conclusion, this past trading week went very well for me, and April, all in all, has been a very good trading month. The VIX is priced at $17.47, indicating there's still slight fear in the market, despite the fact QQQ is at all-time highs. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. I am trying to grow this channel as rapidly as possible. And if you want to show additional support, go check out my Instagram where I post short form content. And remember this, the biggest opportunities comes when discipline meets momentum. I hope you all have an absolutely amazing day. Thank you.